Contractions with prepositions. In Spanish, prepositions mostly function as individual units, with just these exceptions. The preposition
de
plus the definite article
el,
becomes
del,
meaning from the. The preposition
a,
plus
el,
becomes
al.
meaning to the. There are just those two in Spanish. But in Portuguese, prepositions form all sorts of contractions. So in Spanish we have
En el libro.
which means in the book. But in Portuguese we have
No livro.
in Spanish we have
De una señora.
which means from a lady. But in Portuguese we have
De uma senhora.
in Spanish we have
De aquí.
meaning from here. But in Portuguese we have
Daqui.
these sentences mean Portuguese is a sister language of Spanish. In Spanish
El portugués es una lengua hermana del español.
and in Portuguese.
O português é uma língua irmã do espanhol.
Word for word it's the Portuguese is a language sister of the Spanish. These sentences consist entirely of cognates and have identical grammar. The main difference is the different definite articles, and the words for sister take a somewhat different form. Depending on the accent of the speaker, this word might sound completely different from the Spanish word, in particular the different R sound and the nasal vowel.
Hermana.
Irmã,
This pair of words is a good example of how Spanish and Portuguese cognates can sometimes look and sound quite different.